so that you can actually have a difference between them and the other. Now, on the 1st of September 2022, you have customer A, which is supplied to, which took 5 of subject 1, 4 of 2, 20 of 3, none of 4. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. I said none of 4, so I want to use the hyphen to create none of 4, 3, 5, 9 of 6. Now, this is the figures for each of the soft drinks given. Now, this column would carry the customer's total payment figure. Let's say this customer is supposed to give you 12,000 naira. Oh, I forgot to mention all her currencies here would be in naira. So this customer paid you 9,000 naira, and has an outstanding balance of 3,000 naira. You don't have any comments to make, or outstanding to be paid 29.22. This might be a comment. Anything can be a comment, just a column that you want to keep information you would like to remember about the person's transaction. So still on 1st of September, you have numerous customers. Customer B, okay, customer C, customer D, which took different figures of each product. Now, okay, I think it's better to use 0 for this. Okay, I'm just trying to fill in figures that each customer took. Depends on the product you actually distribute, and how it is. Okay, let's say customer D is a very high and 0 of 6. So they all have, this is supposed to pay you 4,500. This customer is supposed to pay you 25,000, while this customer is supposed to pay you about 80,000 naira. Now, customer D has paid all, so no outstanding balance. This has paid 21,000, so there's an outstanding balance of 4,000 naira. Then out of 80,000, you've actually gotten 60,000 from this person. Then outstanding balance of 20,000 naira. Now, this the good thing about this sheet is after the day's business, the total column, for the day, you can use your auto sum. Would give you the total of all products you've sold, and the auto sum here will give you the total of this should be total sold. Total turnover, to make it more understandable. Total turnover. Now this column gives it total for amount paid, and this gives you total for your outstanding balance. So you can make this green, the letters themselves, okay, something deep. Then you make this red. Outstanding balance is actually what you don't have on your hands yet, so you want to make the color different so that you know how much you have outside. So with this, you can continue the next day. This is 1/9/22. So the next day you can start 2/9/22, and remember to name this total. This gives you your total breakdown for the day. So for the next day, you have the same setup, and you keep imputing your figures to actually have a very good outlook of very good supply sheet. Now this sheet is something you can print out, give it to your supplier, or you give them a different record book, and you have this as a spreadsheet which you enter their entries, and you have a very good outlook of what your figures are for the day. Thank you very much, and stay glued to the channel for more interesting videos and tricks on simple business sheets. Thank you very much, and God bless.